Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to use the subprocess module in Python to list the content of current directory. We are going to capture the results and assign it to a variable. So we are going to import from subprocess import p open and pipe, and we get the process back. I will name it p and use subprocess dot p open and open the process, and then we are going to pass in the command that will be to list the content of a directory. ls and then -l, and we will set standard out to pipe, and we are going to get the output by calling process standard out dot read. So we are going to read the output of this command ls-l that will list the content of current directory, and then we are going to use a for loop. So it's going to be like this: for line in output dot decode UTF-8, and then we are going to split it with the new line character. \n, and then we are going to print each line. Just need to save and run our script. So we are just using a subprocess to execute this command, ls-l to get the content of current directory. Then we are going to read the output of this command, and then we loop through each line and print those lines. So I'm just gonna save and run our script. I also need to import subprocess module over here, the top. Import subprocess. And after I execute my script, here's the output of the current directory listing. So this way we can use a subprocess in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.